You know that feeling, right? You've got this brilliant idea for a project, or maybe a party invitation, but when you try to put it on paper, your handwriting's a little messy, the drawings are kind of shaky, and it just doesn't look like what you pictured in your head. It's so frustrating. But what if I told you there was a way to create absolutely perfect, polished documents every single time? Well, there is, and we're about to dive into it. This right here, this just hits home, doesn't it? That moment where you're trying to make something look professional, like an application or a newsletter, and you just feel limited by good old pen and paper. You find yourself thinking, there has to be a better way to do this. And you know what? There absolutely is. And that solution, my friends, is word processing. Seriously, think of it like a digital magic wand that completely changes how you create documents. It takes care of all the boring, tedious stuff so you can focus on the important part, getting your ideas out there. So let's break down what that actually means. At its heart, word processing is pretty simple. It's just the act of using a computer and some special software to create and edit any kind of document you can think of. It's like having a typewriter, a professional printing press, and a little art studio all rolled into one program that lives on your screen. And when I say any kind of document, I mean it. The possibilities are just huge. We're not just talking about writing simple letters here. You could design a whole newspaper for your community, craft a beautiful custom wedding invitation, or even put together a professional-looking magazine. This one tool opens up a whole universe of creativity. Okay, so to tap into all this power, you just need to get comfortable with your digital toolkit. Let's start with the absolute basics. These are the commands you're going to use every single time you sit down to create something. First things first, file management. Think of this as your digital filing cabinet. New is like pulling out a fresh blank sheet of paper. Open lets you grab something you've already worked on. Save is maybe the most important button of all. It protects all your hard work. And print, well, that brings your digital creation to life in the real world. Simple, but you can't do anything without them. Okay, now this is where the real magic happens. Just think about fixing a typo with a pen. It's messy, right? You gotta scribble it out. Here, the undo button makes mistakes vanish. Poof, like they never happened. Need to move an entire paragraph from the beginning to the end? You don't have to rewrite it. Just cut and paste. And spell check, it's like having a personal proofreader looking over your shoulder. This stuff is a total game changer. All right, once your words are all in place, it's time for the fun part, giving them some style, some personality. This is all about formatting, and it's how you make your document not just easy to read, but also nice to look at. These are your go-to tools for making things stand out. Think of bold as your way to make headlines really pop off the page. Italics are perfect for adding a little emphasis to a key word. And highlighting, well, that's like taking a digital yellow marker and shouting, "Hey, look at this part, it's really important." It's all about guiding your reader's attention. Now we're getting into the personality of your document. The font you pick can make your text feel really serious and formal or fun and playful. Changing the size helps create a clear visual hierarchy. Big text for titles, smaller text for the details. And adding a little bit of color can just bring the whole thing to life. Now, check this out, because this is one of those small features that solves a huge problem. You know how in the chemical formula for water, the 2 in H2O is a little bit lower? That's called a subscript. And in Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, the 2 is a little bit higher? That's a superscript. Trying to write those neatly by hand is a nightmare, but in a word processor, it's literally just one click. So cool! Think of alignment as your secret weapon for making everything look clean and organized. Center alignment is perfect for titles, making them the star of the page. But if you want that super professional look you see in books and newspapers, you want to use Justify. It lines up the text perfectly on both the left and the right edges. It's a small touch that makes a huge difference. But, a really fantastic document isn't always just about the words. To really grab someone's attention and keep it, you need to bring in some visual elements. Let's look at how you can make your creations even more engaging. This is your visual playground. You can just drop a photo or some clip art right into your document. You can add shapes like arrows and circles to create simple diagrams. For your titles, you can use word art to make them look super stylish and artistic. Got a lot of data? Organize it neatly in a table. And my personal favorite, text boxes let you put a little bit of text anywhere you want on the page. You have complete creative control. So there you have it. From the absolute basics of saving your work, to fancy styling, to adding all sorts of visual flair, you now have the fundamental toolkit for word processing right at your fingertips. The power to create clear, professional, and really good-looking documents is all yours. So the only question left is, what are you going to create first?